Hi, and welcome to my channel. Sorry, it's a little near Lulu's World. I got this from Influencer the other day, and I had to wait to release it in the social medias or wherever because it's a pre-release or something rather from Mcgrath, and I've never used Mcgrath before. I've been following him for his cosmetics online for a while now. Never used his stuff before because I always thought it was rather expensive and I couldn't afford it. But I got this free eyeshadow palette for testing purposes from Influencer, and it says Pat McGrath Labs. And it's like the name of it is abbreviated. It's Mothership without vowels. Mega Celestial Odyssey Artistry palette. The artwork is really cool. Very, very, very cool. And so you open it up. Excuse me. And there's a really nice mirror on inside. I just took a sneak peek the other day to take photos. And this comes off. They feel like a really neat looking cover on the mirror. I think it looks cool like this though. And there are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 shades of eyeshadows in this palette. Isn't this pretty? Ooh. And they all have a different name. The top is from, I guess, this side over across Saturn, Sunset, Rose Venus, Gold Galaxy, Noir Moon, Bronze, Nova, and Nocturne. And then down below it is Galactic Glow. So the one that I just stuck my fingernail into. This one here that's now damaged. Oopsies. Jesus. Cheapers. I got my leg now. And my chair. So this pink one that I just put my nail into is Galactic Glow. Then there's Sunrose Amber, Lotus Lux, Lunar Haze, Electric, Heavenly Body. And then below that, starting with this greenish one that I'm not trying to dig my nail into, is Bronze Eclipse, Solar Flare, Nirvana, Corrupt Copper, Palladium, and Citron Envy. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. And it says it's good for 12 months. Really nice artwork. I like how they have the strings here. It's very unique. But I've always noticed that his work for palettes and things have been like it's very heavy duty packaging, which I like. Okay, so I am about to swatch these. I don't know where I'm gonna put them because there's so many, but I want to try them and see what they're like. Actually, do you want to swatch them? I guess I will. So I'm gonna start with this one. It's very soft, and put it on my arm. It's kind of chalky, but I feel like you could probably smooth it out with a good brush, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I like it though. It is very chalky. Very soft. Oops, I got my nail on that one. I'm gonna try this brownish one. That's pretty. And then I'm gonna try this gold one. That one's really nice. I really like that one. I really like the gold. And then the next one is like, ooh, like a blue black. I don't know what. I guess that's a black with blue in it. Blue flecks. That's pretty too. And then go into the other goldish looking one here. Copper color. And put that there. Together they're really pretty. That one I like too. So far I like this one and this one the most. And then there's this brownie one down there. Oh, I'm not crazy about these chalky colors. I like the shimmery ones better. I'm a shimmer girl. What can I say? And my hair's a mess. Then I'm gonna try this one that I had put my nail in earlier. Oh, that's really pretty. And then, that just wasn't really much to it, too. The next one is this pinkish one. Also very chalky. But when you like smooth it in, it's not so bad. That one there. And then I'm going to go in with this one here. It's like a purpley, I don't know what. It's pretty. And put it down here. That's really nice too. Then after that color is this one here. This like, I don't know what color it is, like a light brown. I'm gonna put it here. That one's really messy until you smooth it out. Then I'm gonna do this like sparkly, I don't know what color, champagne color. I don't know champagne. In there, you kind of see it's pretty. Then I'm gonna go with this greenish one down here, right on my arm. That's also really pretty. And use this finger to do this color here that I just got my nail in. Put it there. That's this one here. And then with this brownie one, I'll swatch now. This one. There. That's pretty. And then we have 3 more colors left. I have this blue. Whoa, look at that one. Whoa, that one's really pretty. And then, wait, and do this one here. That could be a transition color, I guess. This one here. And then lastly is this like, I don't know what color. Like a copper. My arm looks so pretty. That's Pat Mcgrath for you. I'm gonna try to do a half decent eyeshadow look because I'm not really good at eyes. What am I good at? I don't even know. Not eyes. Oh yeah, I wanted to use some of this new concealer I got. It's a sample from Pure. It's like a base for my eyes on my dirty eyeshadow fingers that I washed. If that makes any sense. Well, you know how like the dye is still staining your fingers when you cleaned them? Oh. Do I have a mirror? Is there a mirror in here? Please tell me there is. Yes. Oopsie, the dye that like beneath my lid. Well, that's right. I think I'm gonna buy this concealer at some point. It's really good. From Pure, I got a sample with my online order yesterday from another store. And they gave me a sample. of this Pure 4-in-1 Sculpting Concealer. I love it. And okay. That's a decent base. Alright, so probably should leave this open. I decided that I'm going to go with it kind of like stings my arm. What should I do a base of? I guess this pink one here. Something light. This color. What's it called? I want to say palladium. So, well, that's really dark. All over my eyelid. What did I change? And then, whoa. This one again for my other eye.
Alright, we're going.
Alright, be safe. Good luck and be safe. My eyebrow thing is falling out. I was gonna say, I don't know if it's the lighting or what, but it looked like this side was deeper than the other one, so I'm gonna do a little more. I like how, obviously there's no fallout, but barely any fallout compared to like other products that I've used. But there's some, well, it's probably because I got on my fingers. It's like shimmer everywhere. But I feel generally speaking, it's not that bad. You get like good control of the eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go with the blue one. This one? Yeah. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna try not to make too much of a mess. And that blue one, I believe, is called Corrupt Copper. No, that can't be right. I think it's backwards. I don't know. Because that doesn't make sense. This would be Corrupt Copper. That's probably Nirvana, and it's backwards. Alright. So... don't you love when they do that? I should have used a smaller brush. There is fallout. Oh, I just wiped it on my face. Let me grab a clean brush and this back. I shouldn't have used that. Oh, what are we doing? I have the mirror covered. I'm trying to look at the mirror, but I have it covered. Oh no. Now I have to, oh my god, what a mess. Clean that. Oh my goodness, I cannot. So that's that palette. Sorry, there's so much action going on outside. If you liked this video at all, please like it. Give it a thumb up. Sorry, okay. A thumb up. If you really, really liked it, or if you liked it at all, please subscribe to my channel. And this lady just hit our car. What the hell is she doing? I don't know. Put that lady outside that's dropping off somebody that lives next door to us. I thought she hit Kaylee's car or our mailbox just now, and I was not happy about that. She needs to learn how to drive. And thank you again, Influenster, for giving me this fabulous palette. God knows how much this costs. I'm gonna have to look it up and share it in the description box down below once this video is edited and up and about, and on the YouTube. And I will see you all again soon. Bye.